It is 5 a.m. in the morning right now. I'm just waiting for my friend. We're gonna go fly to Wellington. Our flight is at 6 o'clock and we literally booked this flight like a week ago. It was really spontaneous. We're going down to Wellington because my friend wants to renew her Dutch passport and she needs to go to the embassy. So yeah, we're going at 6 a.m. in the morning and coming back at 10 p.m. So we are not staying over. This flight is even earlier compared to the one I took down to Queenstown in September. And currently I don't have any makeup on me right now because my friend who works for Emirates, she told me that the air in the aircraft is really dry and like dirty. So it's best not to put any product on your face and you need to make sure to moisturize. And because of the aircraft being so dry, I'm not actually wearing my contact lens right now. I've been sitting here for 10 minutes already because my friend is late, but I can see that it's getting busy. I think it's because today's Monday and a lot of people are commuting to another city for work. So I hope she comes here soon. Otherwise it would take ages to just get into the bay. First thing after getting off the plane was putting on my contact lens. I hate wearing glasses, and throughout the years my eyes become so dry because of my contact lens. I'm seriously considering doing LASIK soon. Today I'm going with a natural look, pretty much only using concealers to cover up my tiring face and fill in my brows. I enjoy getting comments from people about how I don't even look like I wear makeup, but the downside of this is that I'm still exploring my makeup range. I really want to go full glam sometimes, but I feel like my skill is not there yet. So my friend is in the embassy right now. I think her appointment will be just around half an hour, so I'm just gonna get out and just walk around here. It's my first time in Wellington, and the first impression I have is how neat the buildings are here. Being from Auckland, I always wonder why Wellington is the capital, but after seeing the buildings here, I realized how organized it is, and that's something Auckland really needs to work on. Because the buildings here, some of them are really new, and some of them it's all European style, but together we're in harmony. And it's very surprising because this city is really beautiful. I believe this is one of the main roads of Wellington City. You can see there are many office buildings with big glazing windows. However, literally the street next to it has several old-style buildings and somehow leads to completely different street view looks so neat, which require consistent effort for maintenance and urban planning. After my friend sorted out her stuff, we came to the famous Wellington cable car. We bought a one-way ticket to go up the hill.
See our transition now, showing cable cars past and present. The current vehicle system became in 1979, approaching Colonial Station and absolutely effective others. The cars will be available to market. To find out more about cable car and algorithms, you see two of the vintage cars visit the Cable Car Museum at Wellington.
I don't think I know enough about this cable car to give you any information, but in my opinion, this is such an affordable and unique experience. No wonder why this is so famous. As you all know, I'm quite of a lazy girly, so this cable car is a good way for me to be able to overlook the city without too much hiking. So we just took the cable car to go on top of wherever this hill is. You see the view? It's really nice. So there's two different directions. one way is going to Zealandia and the other way is going to the Botanic Garden. We're just at this walk right now. We haven't seen any garden yet, it's just a walk. And as you can see, Wellington is really windy. It's not very cold, but the wind is so strong. I'm just constantly taking off my jacket and put it back on. Like, it's getting cold again because of all the wind. But yeah, I'll take you to the garden, but I think there's gonna be another 20 minutes of walk. The funny thing is, we did so much walk and even went past the Botanic Garden sign, but I'm pretty sure we missed a turn or something, so we didn't end up arriving at the Rose Garden. We still saw some beautiful flowers though. It was a good walk indeed. My friend hopped on a scooter, but for some reason I just can't balance myself. So yeah, I ran after her for like 2 kilometers. If you haven't realized, I'm such a nerd for art and history, so you can probably imagine how amazed I am being able to see the Parliament House up close. We popped into this vegan cafe for drink and snack, and oh my gosh, I can't get over the fact that an iced matcha latte with coconut milk was only $5.20. In Auckland, the exact same item can cost almost $8. I'm currently running to the Wellington sign because we've been walking a lot today, and my friend, she is way too tired to go for that walk with me. And you might be wondering, like, I was literally walking around here in the morning. Why am I just going to the sign like right now? It's because there's something wrong with her appointment and she needed to take the passport photo again. So even though I was like only 2 minutes walk away from the sign, I went back to the embassy and we went somewhere else. And I really wanted to see the sign because, you know, being like a tourist and stuff. So I am now on my way. Yeah, thank you. Oh my god, guess how much I've walked so far? Almost 19,000 steps. That's like almost 13 kilometers, I think. Yeah, my feet are so sore and the day is not even over yet. I don't know if I'm being biased here, but even though it's just really busy right now in the evening, this city still looks way more organized and neat. I must admit that sometimes I'm not the best person to travel with because I will constantly be anxious about the plan and worry that I'm not doing enough activities. So I wasn't so keen to allocate so much time for shopping, but I quickly changed my mind after seeing so many cool stores around. Somehow I got into the Fear Factory again. If you've been following me, you'd see how scared I was coming out of this place in Queenstown. But this time there was no real actors, so it felt less scary. Unfortunately, the Wellington one is scheduled to close in 2025, so I'm glad I get to experience this. My friend suggested this Middle Eastern restaurant, and honestly at first I was feeling more Italian. However, the food here was absolutely delicious and authentic. I especially loved their sauce for kebab. We ordered small dishes to share. The food was very decent price and fulfilling. After dinner, we head to this busy restaurant next door that serves amazing pizza, but we are here for their famous tiramisu. It's crazy how packed they are. I'm sure if I ever come back to Wellington again, I'll try the pizza here.